How to fix iOS 18.3 battery drain. Let's get started. If you're experiencing battery drain on iOS 18.3, here's how to fix it. First up, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear background processes causing excessive battery usage. Next up, update apps. For that, launch your App Store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Scrolling down, you're gonna see the option of update all. Click on that. With that, all the apps will be updated. Next up, you have to check battery usage. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option battery. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find the battery usage that are consuming the most power. Limit their usage or uninstall problematic ones. Likewise, head back, navigate to the option of General. Click on the option Background App Refresh. Disable for this option. Reduce screen brightness. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option Display and Brightness. You can adjust the brightness or you can enable auto brightness. Likewise, head back. Now navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Now, turn location services off for those apps that don't need it. Likewise, enable low power mode. For that, head back, navigate to the option battery. Now enable for the option of low power mode. Likewise, what you can do is head back, navigate to the option of general, click on software update. If you find any new updates over here, just update your device to its latest version. Likewise, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings and continue with the process. Next up, head back, navigate to the option of battery. Now click on the option of battery health. Then go ahead and check your maximum capacity. If your battery health is below 80%, it may need replacement. If all else fails, pack your iPhone and perform a full restore. Set it up as a new to ensure no corrupted files cause battery drain. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iOS 18.3 battery drain. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.